Do you want to learn texturing in Substance Painter from scratch? Then I welcome you to this new course, Complete Guide to Substance Painter 2022, where we will be going through the complete process of learning Substance Painter from a beginner's perspective, and we will be also working on 3 complete projects. Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Rawat and I will be your instructor for this course. This course is divided into 7 different sections and has over 10 hours of video material. You will be provided with all the resource files that are required to proceed with the course, including the Substance Painter files, textures, alphas, everything. We will go over all the important tools and concepts in Substance Painter together and nothing will be skipped. This course is aimed at complete beginners, so the only thing you need for this course is a copy of Substance Painter. Even if you do not have Substance Painter, instead of buying it, you can get an educational license if you are a student and get it completely for free, or you can also get a trial version for 30 days to try it out before buying. We will go over each and every step in this course together and nothing will be skipped. The course does not have any kind of time lapses so that you can follow every step easily. In the first section, we will start by focusing on learning the basics of Substance Painter like the UI basics and navigation. We will also learn about the different windows and their functions. In the second section, we will learn how we can import our model from the 3D program to Substance Painter and learn to set up a new project in Substance Painter. We will also learn to bake mesh maps, that is a very important part of Substance Painter. The 3D program that I will be using is Blender, but it is completely optional as you can do the same stuff with any other 3D modeling package like Maya or Max, so you can use anything. Also, the course is created in such a way that you can avoid all this stuff directly and only focus on the texturing part in Substance Painter. Third section is the most important part of our course as we will be learning all about the important tools and concepts of Substance Painter. We will go over the basics of painting, learn about several types of layers and tools. We will also learn things like masking, smart masks, generators, smart materials, several types of projections and a lot of cool stuff. In the fourth section, after we are comfortable with all the tools and options in Substance Painter, we will finally start working on a project that is our fire extinguisher model. We will learn to texture this model from start to finish. We will use the functions and concepts that we learned in section 3 over here and apply it in an actual project. We will create several types of realistic materials like painted metal, iron, rubber, plastic, glass, etc. We will learn how we can add things like dust, dirt, color variation, etc. to our textures. We will also learn about the opacity map that will help us in creating a glass material. At last, we will be learning to add stickers to our model to give it that final addition. In the fifth section, we will be learning to export the textures that we created from Substance Painter to a different program. In this course, I will be showing you how we can export textures from Painter to Blender and Unreal Engine. But the process remains pretty much the same for any other software also. I will also be showing you how we can set up those textures properly in Blender and Unreal Engine so that everything is up and running. In the sixth section of the course, like the fire extinguisher model, this time we will be completely texturing a drill model from start to finish. We will be learning how we can reuse some of our materials and turn them into smart materials. We will also learn to apply symmetry onto our model and learn to paint height information. We will also create various materials and at the end add some alphas and stickers to finalize our textures. In the seventh section, that is the last section of our course, this section is for all the bonus content. We will learn to create a realistic wood material and texture this table completely. Topics that I was unable to show you in the main course will be added to this section, like use of the emissive channel, anchor points, baking, warp projection, etc. This section will be updated for a while and I will keep on adding new videos to this. I will also be open to suggestions from you all so that I can add even more stuff to this section that you want to learn. So we will be learning a lot of things. I hope to see you there in the course.